This is a video on the resistible rise of Arturo Ui, and I'll keep this one quite short because this show was cancelled. But we did rehearse for it a bit, so it's worth going over. The Resistible Rise of Arturo Ui is a play by Bertolt Brecht, telling the rise of Adolf Hitler as told as though he were an American gangster, and the title character Arturo Ui contrasts to Adolf Hitler, and then some of the other characters, Ernst Röhm is Ernesto Roma, or vice versa rather, and so on, and also contrasts the rise of Al Capone, and there are several layers to the piece. I had the part of Arturo Ui, and the main focus that I went on when we were rehearsing it was showing the transition of the character becoming the Führer, becoming this infallible person from a small, snivelling, small-time criminal at the start. So at the start I would keep a major hunch, and the accent was much more pronounced, this very strong Brooklyn accent. And then significantly with the scenes with the actor in which he teaches Arturo Ui to behave more properly, more upper class, more powerful, then I would start to stand up straight more, keep the legs together, and would pronounce the words more correctly. And we contrasted a lot where the actor would do things that were Shakespearean in movements, and then we would make them quite strong into Nazi salutes and things that Adolf Hitler did. And the plan was for during this to have some Nuremberg rally videos above my head and so on. The setting had some doors at the back of the stage, so we could come on that way. The characters with any Brechtian show were coming in and out of character and stopping and freezing and so on. But I'll leave that one there because the show was cancelled, so there's less to say about that. It can't be critiqued or so on. Just a brief talk about what we did and the skills that we used in the rehearsals.